Hi everyone, this is Shashwat here. Hope you all are doing well and preparing well for your Nata 2022 examination. Now, as we all know that Nata 2022 first attempt examination is on 12th of June. Your most important question or the question which is coming to your mind is that when are we going to get our admit card released? So I am here to answer that question of yours or the question of many students like you. As per as the schedule that Nata has followed in the previous years, I can surely tell you that you will get your admit card mostly by 6th or 7th of this month itself, or max by 8th, not more than that. So what are you waiting for? Contact on this number given below and get the best of the best study materials and mock test series, and followed by that a full crash course preparation for your upcoming second and third attempt. And don't forget to stay tuned to the channel for important updates regarding your Nata examination and hit on the subscribe button now. See you all.